it?
Play-Doh toy.
What?
Play-Doh.
What? Let's try. Which one do you want to do first? Alright, why don't you try? What is it? Peel all the Play-Doh off.
It's a Papa toy.
That's so cool.
With this red Play-Doh in.
Bless you. What's that one?
It's a police.
Look, it's a police car.
Yeah.
So cool. What color is it?
Blue.
Blue. Look, there's some Play-Doh in there. That's so funny.
This is funny.
You got it.
It's orange tree toy.
That's so cool.
Yeah. It's orange this one. Oh, it's a racing toy.
What does it look like? Kind of looks like Bumblebee.
Yeah. No,
Let's
this.
show.
Oh, it's another for the one. This my tea.
Which one is it, Daddy?
It's the Flash.
The Flash.
I just see. That was a. I hear something like that. Oh, yes.
Why'd you say yuck?
I said, look.
Oh.
It's a Mario pony.
Yeah.
What's like this?
That one looks like a soccer ball.
It's a hard one.
Do you want some help?
I need to do it. Yeah. It's a, oh, it's another. Hey, it's from my yellow honey.
Yeah?
Yes.
Look at all the cool toys we have.
Yeah.
Hey, come here.
What?
Give me a kiss. Say Merry Christmas.
No, it's a robot.
Say Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone. But it feels something.